Hey guys, today I've got a couple of products that are gonna be super effective if you are trying to treat melasma, sun damage, or maybe some post-traumatic hyperpigmentation from either acne scarring or an injury or anything. So these products actually work, and I'm going to tell you how to use them, and I'm gonna hold them up for you, and I hope it's very helpful. And if it is, click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really means a lot to me, I notice it. So, all right, so first product. This is Abaji's Clarifying C. Now this has been around for a long time, and if you're familiar with Dr. Abaji's products, this is his original line. Why is this so effective? Well, not only is it a 10% vitamin C, which lightens, tightens, and brightens the skin, but it also has that 4% hydroquinone, which is a skin, it's almost like a bleaching cream. Now it's a little controversial, so I have one other option for you that doesn't have hydroquinone. But if you really wanna get serious about brightening up, like I said, like melasma or sun damage, this is very effective. Now it comes in a little dropper. I'm gonna show it to you. So you have your dropper, and it is a liquid, and it comes sealed. You do not want to set this out in the sun or on your counter where the sun hits it. You actually want to keep it in a cool, dark place so that it doesn't oxidize too fast. You use 1 to 2 drops on your entire face. I generally like to start where the pigment is most abundant or where it bothers you the most, and I generally stay away from the areas of people's skin or my own skin where your pores get clogged very easily. If you overuse this specific product, it will actually just sit in your pores and look a little bit dark, kind of like little blackheads. So less is more. You would use it in the morning right after cleansing your skin. And then you can put on any other serums you have, your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Now, if you want to be super effective, you can use this in the evening as well. But what I find most effective is that if you use something to turn over your dead skin cells in the evening, like a retinol, I personally like Alpha Ret, or if retinol doesn't work for you, Exfoliation Accelerator made by Zeo, that's an excellent product as well, but something to turn over those dead skin cells, right? Get rid of the old stuff, treat the fresh stuff, lightening, brightening, tightening. You can see how this is going to be effective. Now, if you are a little bit more on the dry side or the mature skin side, Zeo by Dr. Abaji, so that's Dr. Abaji's newer line, did create essentially the same product, but it's formulated a little bit different. It's a little more refined, a little more elegant, and probably a little more stable. Okay, so vitamin C oxidizes when it hits the air, and the newer one is in a pump. I wish I had that for you, but it comes in a blue box like this. This isn't it. So if you're looking out for it, it's going to say 10% vitamin C and 4% hydroquinone. Here's a photo. Okay, so that's the product I don't have for you because there's no reason for us to carry both of them, so I couldn't pull it out of the cabinet and show it to you, so I'm sorry about that. But you can look out for either one of them. Last product, if you don't want to use hydroquinone, or if you are trying to flip back and forth, you've used a bottle of your hydroquinone with vitamin C, and now you're coming back off of it for a little bit, this is an excellent product. It's Bright Alive, and it's Zeo's new formulation. Now, if you don't want to use hydroquinone at all, an excellent way to treat anything that you don't like as far as discoloration goes is to simply cleanse your skin, put a couple pumps, 1 to 2 pumps of this on your entire face, and then put your sunscreen on in the morning. You can also use it in the evening, again, if you want that 1-2 punch. But I really like to use something to be turning over your dead skin cells. I just find that that's most effective. If you are treating hyperpigmentation, you can also consider hopping in the office or talking to your esthetician about doing chemical peels. They're really, really effective. And if IPL is a good option for you, that's another excellent treatment that you can do in office. And lastly, I do love just doing like some microneedling treatments or maybe just a full resurfacing treatment like a halo. I hope this information was really helpful for you. Click like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next week.